Today we are touring an amazing new construction home in the exclusive Oak Hill Estates neighborhood in Nashville, Tennessee. Built by one of the area's premier builders, Tennessee Valley Homes, this 5-bedroom, 5 full bath, and 2 half-bath home features just over 6,000 square feet, sits on a 1-acre lot, and is priced just under $4 million. Hi, I'm Steve Azadorian with NashvilleHomeSquad of Exp Realty, and I would like to thank the listing team of Paxton Williams, McClain Franks, and Battleground Realty for allowing us to tour their beautiful home here today. Now, wow, if you guys want luxury and style, this home is for you. 20-foot soaring ceilings as you enter the home, a chef's kitchen with Thermador appliances, an oversized waterfall island with farmhouse sink. There is custom cabinetry, a butler's pantry with an undermount microwave just off the kitchen, and a wet bar located in the living room for all of your entertainment needs. One of the highlights and my favorites of the home is the main floor owner's suite, with an incredible bathroom which includes a soaking tub, separated and spacious vanities, a gorgeous glass shower with multiple shower heads, including a rainfall shower head for that extra relaxation that we all deserve. There is also a walk-in closet that seems to go on forever that you are just going to love. The upstairs features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a bonus area with another full-serving wet bar for your family's enjoyment. The exterior of the house continues to shine with a covered back patio, another fireplace, and a built-in grilling station with enough room outside to build that pool of your dreams. Guys, I am super excited to show you this incredible home, so let's get to it. Well, what'd you guys think? Don't you just love this house? Hey, if you'd like more information about this house and want to take a tour or any other house in the greater Nashville area, please hit us up at NashvilleHomeSquad.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.